Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a real quick kind of show and tell introduction to a little product. It's a bag made by RockBros. This thing is somewhat waterproof out of the package. We'll go over some of the features. We'll do a real quick bag dump showing you what we carry on our bike. So let's get to the video. One of the things that I do want to point out real quick before we get too deep into this, it does have the straps on the bottom, so you could mount it on one of these rear racks or however you wanted to do it. I haven't been strapping it down because I use these rock straps pretty regular to tie all my stuff down. And then it does have the shock cord up top, so if you were wearing a hat, something like that, and you wanted to shove it in here while you're riding and you got your helmet on, you've got another additional little pocket here that you could keep your cell phone or maps or something like that if you needed them. One of the areas that I do ride, it's a National Wildlife Reserve, and you actually have to have your little permit signed, so that would be a good place for stuff like that if you guys have to carry any paperwork like that. And then the other thing, I'll go ahead and point this out while we're talking about it. You guys know right now we've got two bikes. We're reviewing actually two bikes at the current process. But I like this, just like this, because it's got all the tools and everything I need, and I can grab this real quick and throw it on the other bike. We'll dive into this. I'll just kind of show you what we're carrying. This is going to be a, you know what that is, it's a quick link 411 speed, which is the other bike. We've got this is the actual rain cover that comes with the bag. This is a headlamp in case something happens, we'll lose power. This is my camp light. You guys have seen that in a lot of videos. I'll use it for doing some extra lighting. This is Kershaw's version of the Leatherman. Got it in there. Cheap pair of junky binoculars. These are really handy. We did 3D print these. These go on your handlebar. So if you're ever out somewhere and you have a flat, maybe you need to do maintenance on your bike, you use these and they'll just kind of clip right onto your handlebars like that. That way when you flip your bike over, you're not getting your controls, your power button, screen, or any of that shoved down into the mud or dirt. So that's just kind of a quick accessory in case you need it for fixing, working on your bike. This is just a regular old tool made by Cannondale. Just your multi-tool with all your various stuff. You guys know what these are. Tire tools, another piece for the action camera, another piece for the action camera. We are actually doing a giveaway on this right now. It's in one of the other videos. I haven't taken it out of the bag yet because I brought it out in the field to show you. This is the little set that comes with Puppy Bike. This is going to be the Blackburn air pump. So it's a CO2 air pump. Realistically, on these big fat tires, you need 2 of these bottles of CO2 to fill your tire completely up. Depending on how flat it is, you can make do with one. And then this is one of the wrenches that come with the Puppy Pup. And then a couple of tools that I carry with my motorcycle, screwdriver, just some simple stuff. But that's about it, guys. This is a really simple bag. It's a nice bag. I like it. It's got pretty much all the tools that I would need for just basic maintenance and care, or potentially fixing a flat or whatever out in the field. So far, we've had this bag. We've been using it a little over a month, and I think it's doing great. It's a sweet little bag. It's affordable. We will have a link to it down below. It's going to be an Amazon affiliate link. Yes, we do get paid from the affiliate links. No, we're not going to get rich out of it. It's just a little way to kind of us to make a couple extra bucks making these videos showing you guys this stuff. You will not see a difference if you purchase it with our link or not. And to be honest with you, I don't care if you use our link. I'm just putting the link down below just so it'll be more convenient for you. I like the size of this. Like I say, you can carry just about everything you're going to need for a typical maintenance. When you're out riding, you got it all there handy. And it does have, if you use this on the back rack, it does have a spot right here where you can put like additional tail light, and then this is a reflective strip also, so good for safety stuff. You got the reflective strips on both sides. If you guys like this video, we're going to be bringing you some more videos. I just dropped my camera, it fell off the bike, that ain't good. We're going to be bringing you some more review videos. If you like these kind of videos, consider hitting that thumbs up. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers right now, and with your help, we can make it. Let me know in the comments down below, have you used this bag? Is it something that you're interested in? Let's get outside and make something.